Right, so before we start, got a repair on a door, so we just blocked it down, as you can see there, with 320 on a block. And scuffed up the rest of the car with a red scotch and this black car. Bought waste degreaser. Then we've gone over the 320 blocked repaired area with 400 on DA and 400 soft pad just round where the door handle sits. Yeah, so let's get you in the booth and show you what's what. Right people, another little one here for you, a little black Fiesta, in for a side. I'll just show you around it, just mask it up. So there's a repair on the rear door, so blending the front door. You might as well blend the back for the sake of it, and all the way over the top. A couple of handles will scuff up, stick on a trestle. Ready to do. Show you around it. Got a bit of flip edge down the A pillar. Flip edge all inside the door shuts, all around there, and then flip edge down here inside the door shut. Runs all the way along the bottom. That's about it really. I'll stick you on a stand and show you what we do. Right peeps, as you can see I like to use thinners on a rag before attack, last thing before we put base down. So thinners the whole car. Over primer's alright, as long as the primer's not fresh obviously. Thinners the whole car, blew it down, tack the whole car off. I'll just talk you through what we've got. So yeah, full side, thinners down, tacked off, all sheeted up, masked out. Tack the whole car and the sheeting, try and get rid of as much dust as we can.
and then we've got both handles over here, which will be out of shot. Just doing them as well, so we'll be putting base next to both the handles, so why not? Right, I'll put you back up and put some paint in the gun and get it sorted. People, we've put on base now. It's got a drop coat to do. Just to show you through it. Had a little nib in it there, so just thousand that off. Just chuck a little bit more over that. Kept the colour away from the edges, as you can see by the front door. Yeah, chuck a drop coat on now, and see how we go. First coat of clear going on then. Using the old WS400 Supernova, loving it at the minute. I was using a DeVilbiss GTI Pro Lite. Bought this and I never went back to it, so just ended up selling it. So yeah, just chucking on a first coat, nice wet coat, and we'll do that tack off and put another full wet on. second full coat. Hoss it on, lads, hoss it on. Here we go then. Show you around this old Fiesta. Was a little dog, now a little beauty. Look at that. Have some of that. Put some pictures in at the end. Show you the finished result unmasked. Little beauty. Handles. Didn't see none of that, did you? There we go. Beautiful.